Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Duolingo app in English. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Duolingo. Okay, click on continue. So now you can see that my app is in Chinese language. So how I can convert that to English? So you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings. Here you need to go into the app management. Click on app list and search for the Duolingo. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and click on OK. Then you need to go back and open Duolingo again. So let me show you. Okay. So now you can see that my Duolingo is in English language, as you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.